Yes, we're drawing Goomba! From Super Mario Brothers.
Yeah.
This one's our first bad guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been drawing all the good guys.
Goomba, Goomba,
Goomba. Goomba's the mushroom character that stomps around everywhere, right?
Goomba.
All right.
Goomba.
So we'll start with a bell curve. Don't make it come out too much, so a slight bell curve. That just means there is a small curve out and up and back out like this. Good job! And then we'll draw a couple of C curves on either side of that bell curve where we ended it, okay? Mm-hmm. And so we'll draw a C curve on one side and a backward C curve on the other side.
Ah!
Your mushroom is gonna be great. Okay, and then we're gonna connect both of that with a slight wave curve. Just a slight one. So we'll bring it in with a slight bump and connect it to the rest of that C. Mm-hmm. Nice.
My mushroom's so big and fat.
Ooh, that's maybe a hard enemy to kill. Yeah. Okay, so Goombas are angry, right? Mm-hmm. So they have this frowny face.
They have a unibrow.
Yeah, kind of. It's like the little frown wrinkle that comes in between the eyebrows. So that's going to be a little U shape in the middle of Goomba's head. Yeah, and then just underneath that on one side is where we're gonna start the eyebrow, and it's gonna be a slight S curve out. So I'm gonna draw a slight curve and out. And then we're also gonna make that really thick too. Yeah, and if your marker's too thin, you just double it, where you trace it over again to make it thicker. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. The S curvy eyebrow. Ah! There we go! Nice and angry. Okay, so now for his eyes, we're gonna draw it right underneath where we started that eyebrow, and we're gonna draw an oval shape. And same thing on the other side. Nice and big.
Yeah, he already looks angry.
Yeah, he does.
But mine looks weird.
Yours looks really, really focused. Okay, so towards the middle of each of the ovals that we drew, we're going to draw a smaller oval, and we're gonna leave room for the shine though in the eye. So smaller oval, and then fill in the rest of that eye. Ooh, he looks like a Goomba leader actually. He looks really smart. Okay, so now for the frowny face. So let's draw a frowny curve right underneath his eyes, spanning the sides of his face. Yeah, and then 2 upside down triangles for his big teeth that are sticking out of his lips.
He's a grown-up Goomba.
Oh yeah, he's the Goomba dad.
He's the leader.
Mine's a little soldier. Okay, and Goomba's gonna be walking around, so let's draw an oval for his foot.
His foot's so small.
Oh, you know what you can do? You can make that as the inner part of his foot, because we were gonna draw another inner part for his foot. The bottom part of his foot shows. Ooh, wow, he's gonna be a big stomper.
Yes, he is.
Okay, now for his body, I'm gonna connect his head to his foot with a little small curve, and then connect the rest of the body to his head with a curve up from that first foot that we drew. And then he's in motion, so his other foot is just gonna be a little oval shape going downwards, sticking out from his body. So that looks like he's marching forward. Ooh, what's that?
It's the ribbon of the leader.
Oh, nice. Ooh, yours has a crown?
Yes.
That's awesome. He's the Goomba King. That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we get coloring?
Yeah.
I like that you're personalizing your drawings. Art Along friends, don't forget to decorate your drawings too, just like Mia.
Yeah, I'm just observing how you color so neatly.
I try to go little by little. Art Along friends, check out all our other how to draw Mario character videos. We got so many, right? We've got Princess Peach, Rosalina, Luma,
Yeah, Toad, Mario.
Baby Mario.
Yeah, and baby Luigi.
Yeah, they're so cute. So cute. What do Goombas eat?
Humans.
Huh. Is that why they attack Mario and Luigi?
Yeah, I think so.
I guess humans eat mushrooms.
So it's kind of fair.
We're gonna draw another bad guy, right? In our next episode. Do you wanna share who that is?
The cannon.
The bullet.
Yes, but it's a cannon. Sort of.
Well, the cannon is what shoots the bullet out.
Yeah.
It's called Banzai Bill.
Banzai Bill.
Yeah, that's the bullet that kind of looks like a shark.
Yeah, I think it is a shark.
Done?
Yep.
Wow. Well, Art Along friends, hope you like our Goomba. Well, check out our other videos on our channel and we'll see you next time.